For just 100 signups, you can earn over $2,200 per month in passive income. In this free robot, we will generate all of the conversions for you. All you have to do is enter your industry and website, and this will work on autopilot. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. In today's video, I will teach you how to start using a free AI robot to start generating conversions in autopilot while you are marketing highly converting affiliate programs. This is something I've already tried and proven to work. So what I'm about to show you is a step-by-step procedure. So don't be concerned if you are a newbie or if you lack expertise or experience. I will walk you through everything step by step. So make sure you watch it all the way through. So if you want to use this AI on your own, there are a few steps we need to take. Step 1 is to visit this website, adcreative.ai/affiliate. This is a high converting affiliate program that you may join to begin earning passive cash online. This is an ad creative for Google Ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads. So basically, this software helps businesses and enterprises scale faster by using various ad platforms. They get some recommendations, they care of their advertisements, and they receive some statistics or anything they need to build their business. And it is working like a charm. And this is something you sincerely want to promote as well. So with 10 sign-ups and 10 persons, you may start generating $222 per month in passive revenue for just 10 people. And it is quite simple. If you only want to obtain 10 signups or start generating $200 per month in passive income, you can simply give this link that you'll get in this affiliate network to some businesses in your area, and there is a good possibility that they'll take it because everyone is doing ads right now. And this is something they are most likely unaware of. However, this is something that can genuinely assist them in scaling faster. But if you want a more in-depth strategy, that's something I will show you. Let us say you want to focus on a more in-depth plan that can make you money on autopilot, such as using this free robot. Then we will focus on these 100 sign-ups or even more, up to 1,000. Sign-ups where you may earn up to $22,000 per month in passive income, and up to $5,000 in bonuses. So this is what we are going to concentrate on. And this is something you can set up with your free robot and earn money from. But let us focus on the lesser rates for the time being because they are more realistic. Simply go to this website and click on the Join the adcreative.ai Partner Program button to be brought to a page where you can fill out all of your personal information. After that, you simply click Sign Up, and the first thing you must do is navigate to your email inbox and click the confirmation link. The most crucial component there is this link since it is the URL that you will utilize to make money with this strategy. Now that you have your link, we will be able to access the free robot that will do all of the hard work for you. This is the website we will be using, anyword.com, where you can get your free AI robot to help us make money with this method. So this is essentially a copywriting AI tool that we can use to create various things on the internet that will help us make money, such as ad copy, landing pages or products pages, blog posts, emails, SMS advanced features. For example, you can create custom projects that you require. So this is something that you genuinely want to use, and we will assist you in making money from it. So the first thing you need to do is create your free trial, which is for 7 days and does not require a credit card. So it is completely free. Once you have created an account, you will be taken to the anyword.com dashboard where you will be able to see all of your options. For example, you could make Facebook ad copies, Google ad copies, Taboola headlines, LinkedIn text ads, and so on of all brand headlines. For example, extremely important for social media or email. So basically what we're going to use this robot for is Google Ads. So the first thing we need to do is set up our Google Ads account. To begin advertising for you, go to Google and search for Google Ads. Once there, click on the first link. Google Ads is now an advertising platform that will assist you in growing your business. And what you can do on this website, you can do as well as affiliate marketing. So what do? You simply set up a Google Ads account. Now what you want to do is scroll down until you see an option to switch to expert mode. So this is the first thing you will need to do. And once you are inside of the dashboard, all you have to do is select website traffic and press continue. When you get there, the most important thing to look for is the search box, and then you need to add your business website. So they're very simple. Just copy the affiliate link you just copied from your affiliate program, and then we can simply change the campaign name to Ad Creative and click Continue. And now, what we're going to do is launch the wall campaign. The first thing we need to add is a budget, which should be kept low from the start. So let us say we start with $5 or $10, which would be even better. So let us say the user will pay you $300 per month if you run this, but you can stop it at any time. But when you consider that you can earn more around $200 in passive income from just 10 signups, it is well worth it. So once you have determined your budget, you can set it up on your own and we will proceed to the bidding process. And you should be focusing not only on conversions, but also on clicks. You want to start by adding clicks, then there will be some analytic statistics, and then you want to change it inside of the conversion. And then you want to set a maximum cost per click bid. So let us say just add it to 40 cents. You don't want to go higher. If you don't get enough clicks, then you want to increase this. But you want to start very, very low. Then you can raise not only the bidding, but also the budget. When you are finished, simply click Next. Then very importantly, untick these two boxes if you don't want any of the search network. You also do not want display network. If you want to look for the United States, simply click Enter another location. And there is a very simple reason for this. Every athlete marketing program in the United States is converting better. Simply enter English or whatever language you prefer, then click Next. Keywords will now be added. This will display an ad group. This is the most crucial aspect of the wall campaign, and this is where the keywords come in. You can see that when we edit our website, affiliate program, or affiliate link, this has already generated some keywords. What can you do? You can use these keywords as well, but I have also created one. So I would simply add this as well. So those are the keywords that work best for me. And if we want to use them quickly, you can simply stop watching this video and begin writing them in your Google Ads campaign as well. And once you have determined your keywords, it's time to start optimizing your ads. Simply click on the pencil icon beneath this ad, and you will see that we can now begin adding different headlines and descriptions. We are going to use the free robot to generate all of this for us. So you go back to anyword.com and select Google Search, and then you want to go inside the new project. And what you want to do is use your link as well as your category. We will simply include technology and computing, and the URL will be the adcreative.ai affiliate link. As you can see, this has generated the product brand names as well as the product descriptions, which you simply copy and paste into your campaign. So now we need to add the headlines and descriptions that you generated inside of any word. And once you have done that, you can just go back and do it again. Maybe twice, maybe 3 times, and it'll generate you different descriptions each time. And you can just use them instead of your ad. I have just copied and pasted all of the headlines and descriptions that I was able to create using this free robot that did all of the hard work for me. Then most importantly, you must select the Add URL option. You must enter the final URL, which will be your affiliate link, and then click the Next button. We will not be experimenting with the styling extension because it will take too much time and will only give you 1 or 2 clicks from each campaign. And you can see here that we can get 44 clicks per day for only 24 cents per click. After that, simply scroll down and click Next. We will skip all of that, and then at the end, you will just review your campaign. Taking a look at how everything looks if everything is in order as I showed you. And when everything is good, you'll just hit Publish Campaign and your campaign will be published, making you money on autopilot. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.